Hello fans out there, we're counting our subscribers into 300, hitting 300,000 milestone. So ayun guys, as you can see, tumatakbo yung ating subscribers hanggang sa ma-reach niya yan yung 300,000 milestone. So wala pa pong isang buwan yung ating house ay napakabilis na ng natin ng takbo ng ating bahay. Wala pa pong isang buwan guys. From March 11 meron na tayong 100,000 plus subscribers. Ang dahil po yan sa aking global superstar na Doghouse. Ang dahil sa global superstar na Doghouse, ayan pong ating kaganapan ngayon sa ating bahay. So nagkaroon ng pag-angat. So yan na guys, nung March 14 nasundan, nung March 14 na-hit ko po yung milestone na 200,000 subscribers. And then now, March 26, 2024, running 300,000 na naman tayo. So marireach ko naman yung hit milestone 300,000. So yan na guys, 300,000 subscribers. Thank you so much guys for watching.